आणि आमचे सगळे बोर्ड मेंबर्सांचे उपस्थितीन आम्ही आमची पहिली बोर्ड मिटींग आम्ही घेतली. बोर्ड मिटींग पहिली जी आशिल्ली वॉज इन बेसिकली टू ऑन द कन्सेप्ट ऑफ ट्रान्सपरन्सी अँड ऑन द कन्सेप्ट ऑफ ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिझनेस ऑल्सो. आम्ही कितें केलां की कांय गोष्टीचे तुमकां मेन इश्यूज पयलीं काडटा हांव. एक 5-6 आयटम आशिल्ल्यो. एक म्हणजे स्ट्रीमलायनींग ऑफ आमकां 500 स्क्वेअर मिटर पर्यंत बिल्टअप 500 स्क्वेअर मिटर पर्यंत जे बिल्टअप जे एरिया आहा ती 500 स्क्वेअर मिटर पर्यंत बिल्टअप एरिया आमी जे आयडेंटिफाय केला आमी जे सांगल्या त्यो built-up area up to 500 square meters, which will be ground plus 2, along with the stilt, will be under self-attestation. So that if we are empaneling some, we are opening the empanelment for architects, so that they'll be empaneled with the Department of Town Planning. So you can go to that architect where we have reduced the further experience, we have reduced from 10 years to 5 years. And as a result of which, they'll be in a position, there's more scope for more number of architects to take part. Then and engineers to take part so that they can attest these plans. So up to 500 square meters, you don't have to go to the PDA or you don't have to go to the town planning department. You can directly get it self-attestation and pay online the fees that are required of infrastructure and other things. This is a revolutionary step as far as the Department of Town Planning is concerned. Today we are starting with for the first 3 months up to 500 square meters, and then based on the experiment that we are doing, we may increase the scope of the work of the self-attestation and engineers. So the role of the PDA and town planning department, the load also reduces, so we can concentrate on policy planning, town planning and other aspects. आम्ही हे जे दोन सांगले तुमकां सेल्फ अटेस्टेशन जो इश्यू. तिसरो आमचो अजेंडाचो आशिल्लो इज बेसिकली 21 working days, whether it is town planning department or it is the PDAs. It will be 21. We are moving for amendment under the town planning act, and that amendment in full form, how it will be implemented, will come in the board meeting, next board meeting. And most importantly, 21 days, if the files are not clear up to area of 2000 square meters, it will be considered as deemed approved. Implementation mechanism will be already also told to you after the next board meeting. Beyond 2000 square meters, the TCB department, it will be around 45 days. Whether it is the TCB department or if it is the PDAs, it will be applicable to both. We are also implementing, this is going to be implemented, which I said about this 500 square meters, and from 1st of May, because we are empanning the architects, and this will be starting from the 1st of May. File management system to be adopted in town and country planning departments. This is recommended basically on order for people. When we talk of people's issues, we find that people don't know where their files are. So basically this tracking system will enable them to basically track their files sitting at home, where the file is pending, whether it is with the minister, whether it is सगळे फायल्यो जे कसलेय फायचे कसले फायल म्हटल्यार आता सगळे फायल्यो ते हांव सांगता सगळे ऑनलायन आमी करून तुमकां ऑनलायन तुमकां फायल्यो दिसतल्यो. फाल्यां लौकिकान एक फायल जर घातली PDAन तर ते मागीर तेका ते घरा बसून तो ट्रॅक करू शकता फायल खंय आहा ती, ते कोणाचे मेजार फायला कितले दीस उरली, थंयच्यान खंय गेली, ह्यो सगळ्यो गोष्टी ट्रान्सपरंट पब्लीक डोमेनान हाडपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. स्ट्रीमलायनींग प्रोसिजर इश्यूइंग परमिशन. हल्लीच मुख्यमंत्री ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिझनेसच्या माध्यमांतल्यान क्रीडाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान एक सर्क्युलर इश्यू केल्लो, आणि तो सर्क्युलर फर्दर सिम्प्लिफाय करून आणि लोकांचो पीपल फ्रेंडली बेस्ड ऑन वॉट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर. वी आर गोइंग टू टेक वन मोर राउंड ऑफ मीटिंग with the Architects Association and several other stakeholders to see that we have an implementation mechanism to have ease of doing business, so that it is not only giving the responsibility at different levels, but also making clear the implementation mechanism and how we are going to implement it and make it more easier for the common man. In addition to this, the circular, we have issued another circular as far as the PDAs are concerned. This issue is already been issued by the government, ratified by the board today. Is that all the files no longer have to be going to any other higher authority. All the files will be the responsibility and accountability of the member secretary there. So the files will be all issued by the member secretary as per the directions and provisions of the Town Planning Act. This circular has already been issued. I can then share it with one of you so that you know what are the decisions that the department is taking. Transparency. In addition, what we are doing. In addition, we have also decided that under the chairmanship of the Chief Secretary along with the Chief Town Planner, Mr. Rajesh Naik, we will be empaneling certain consultants by the board. And these boards, consultants will be town planning consultants, maybe international, maybe national consultants. You have several consultancy firms that deal with planning of the cities and other things. And they will be mandatory for all the PDAs if they are forming a ODP. Then they'll have to utilize the services of any empaneled consultant as empaneled by the board, which will be headed by the Chief Secretary, who you can put up the file to him, and then he can decide that along with CTP, they can decide that these are the agencies, any of these agencies you can utilize. We will not be giving permission for any kind of ODP or anything if they do not use these consultants. We will be going through the process of finalizing the consultants in order to bringing about uniformity in planning. नाले कितें आतां खंय तरी तुमी दिसता की एक 300 स्क्वेअर मीटर 300 FSI ची बिल्डिंग स्पेशल बिल्डिंग झोनिंग घेवन ते उबे जाता ते सगळे बंद जावंक जाय. Uniformity in planning and bringing a transparency in the planning process and justification of what zoning, where you are doing, with thorough transparency is going to be the need of the hour. I think that is the need. If we have to see that Goa it becomes a state which is which has got a beautiful planning perspective, if you see, then we require agencies to help us do the planning along with under the overall supervision of the chief town planner. ह्यो सगळे गोष्टी करताना आनी एक गोष्ट हा की ड्राफ्ट ODPs जे केल्या हल्ली आणि इवन जे फायनल ODPs जे केल्या हे power बोर्डाचो हा under grave emergencies to suspend those ODPs. Based on all the court cases I have asked in the board meeting, we have discussed to find out what are the objections, suggestions of the people, what is the situation of the people, what is the court cases. Based on the seriousness of the allegations and or any cases, court cases, लोक घालता न्ही केन्ना केन्ना ऑब्जेक्शन बी खंय तरी डिस्क्रिपन्सी जर जाली आमकां जर दिसता की चड डिस्क्रिपन्सी खंय तरी जाल्या काय खंय तरी डिविएशन खंय तरी जाल्या कदाचित बोर्ड एक ड्रास्टीक निर्णय घेऊ शकता आणि म्हणून फुडल्या बोर्ड मिटींग बेगीन आपयतलो फुडले बोर्ड मिटींग ओनली टू डिस्कस on all the court matters and other things and get a thorough briefing. In that we will take a decision on even on the final ODPs, and we will, as per the provisions of law, and even on the draft ODPs, we will be having a relook at all these things based on which a presentation will be given, which will take it to the board, and after that in the board we will take a decision appropriately. Now there has been several talk about 16B. Now 16B, I want to make it very clear that I am here for a transparent governance model, and as a result of which we are now going to ensure that all the cases of 16B, all these meetings which were held in the last 2-3 board meetings, we are not notifying the minutes, we are not notifying anything, we are just keeping everything on hold. All the cases taken will be on hold. All the cases that are there. Now many times people feel third cases जाले पण आमकां कितें आमकां सारके ते स्टडी करचे पडटले कोर्ट आसल्या कारणान 16B चे केसेस चालूच उरतल्यो पण त्याच बरोबर सध्या पर्यंत आयज पर्यंत जे सगळे 16B चे मॅटर्स आयल्या they will be reviewed under a committee of Mr. James Matthew. He will be the chairman. CTP will be the convener, and within 45 days they will submit a report to the board. आमकां जर खंय दिसता खंय कितें चुकल्या total provisional cases considered till date have been 1431. Total final consider जे केल्या 250. हे सगळे केसेस आम्ही परत एकदा रिव्ह्यू घेतले. 16B फुडल्या मिटिंगच्यान चालूच उरतली. सबज्युडिसा स्टे काय ना त्या गोष्टीचेर एंड प्लस कोर्टान हे लॉजिकल एंडान व्हरपाक आमी आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. लोकांचे हितांचे कितें काम करूंक जाय काम करपाचो डिपार्टमेंटाचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आणि मेन म्हणजे कित्याक की हे सगळे केसीस आमी ह्या कमिटीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान ते 45 डेजान रिव्ह्यू करून ते सबमिट करतले आमकां रिपोर्ट. जे जर खंय कितें तरी डिविएशन जाला फ्रॉम द रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन्स त्यो केसीस आमी रिजेक्ट करतले. इतलेच आयजचे डिसिजन आमी बोर्डान घेतलेले आसा.